Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and I make videos related to food, beauty and lifestyle. So if any of that interests you, then please consider subscribing to my channel. And a few days ago, I reviewed this Nykaa Sundowner eyeshadow palette for you guys. If you're new to my channel, you can watch it right now. I would leave a link for it in the description box below. So I've reviewed this palette for you guys, and I also mentioned that I'd be creating 3 different eye looks with just this palette, and today I am here with those 3 eye looks. They are supremely easy and very beginner friendly. So if you want to know how I created 3 different eyeshadow looks using this palette, then please keep on watching the video. Our first eye look is gonna be a very easy peasy raspberry sort of a look. For this, start by taking this orangish peachy shade from the palette. I'm using a slightly fluffy blending brush for this, and I'm just gonna pick up the product and start applying it on my eyelids. Since I wanted quite a dark pink reddish sort of a look, I went ahead and took quite some amount of product, and as you can see, I'm just picking it up and applying it on my eyelids. I'm initially just placing the product on my eyelids and then I'm blending it on my crease line majorly so that I am able to remove all the harsh lines. There was definitely some fallout, but I am removing it side by side. You can also have translucent powder under your eyes while you do this makeup look so that you can just dust it all off after you're done with this eye look. Take all the time you need to blend this eyeshadow on your eyelids really well. Now taking a flat brush, I'm just gonna pick up some product on its edge and we are gonna use it to apply it under our lower lash line. We have to just apply it halfway through our eyes. And while I do it, I connected it through with my upper lash line just to form a smoky effect. Repeating the same procedure for my another eye. And now taking this pink metallic eyeshadow from the palette, I'm gonna pick it up using this flat eyeshadow brush and I'm gonna apply it all over my eyelid. You can also do this step using your fingers to get the maximum pigmentation of the eyeshadow. After this, I'm just gonna wipe off all the excess fall off under my eyes using a tissue paper. You have to be really gentle with this step. Finish your eye look with lots and lots of mascara. I'm using this one from Maybelline. Go ahead and apply false lashes if you want to. I just liked it this way, so I applied lots of mascara. You can also go ahead and apply an eyeliner if you want, and you can also definitely vary the shades that I have used in this eye look. And tada! Our first strawberry raspberry eye look is done. It looks so pretty, you guys. You can definitely try this, and it's supremely easy to create it all by yourself. The second eye look that we have is a very nice peachy pink eye look, and for this we're gonna take this first shade from the eyeshadow palette and I'm gonna be using it as a base for my complete eye look. I'm using a fluffy blender brush here to apply it really well completely on my eyelids. Next, pick up this peachy orange shade from the eyeshadow palette using another fluffy blending brush, and I'm just gonna apply it very lightly on my lids. I am majorly gonna place this shade on the outer corner of my eyes and blend it really well on the crease line. Here I'm trying to intensify the color on the outer corner of my eyes. Next I'm gonna pick up this third metallic shade. It is a really nice peachy pink metallic shade and it is so pigmented. I am using my fingers to apply it to get the maximum pigmentation possible. And I am applying this majorly in my inner corners and the inner part of my eyes. I am gonna apply it just till the mid portion of the eyes, and I will not take it to the outer area of the eyes. Then using the base shade that we used earlier and mixing it little bit with our peachy orange shade, I'm just gonna blend all the edges on my crease line just to remove all the harsh lines and make it look very natural. I've applied a small wing eyeliner to accompany this look, and it makes the look more feminine. And now finally taking that orangish peach shade again on a flat brush, I'm just gonna apply it on my lower lash line till the mid length and just blend it really well, and also connect it with the upper lash line to make it look connected. And to complete this look, I'm going to be using this mascara from Maybelline, and we're going to be applying lots and lots of mascara. Mascara makes your lashes look fluttery and it also opens up your eyes. You can definitely go ahead and add falsies if you want. It will enhance the look for sure. And this look is complete. This look is so easy yet so gorgeous. It is gonna go perfectly with that Indian traditional outfit you have. And for the third and the final eye look that we're gonna be creating using this palette, we're gonna start by using this brown kajal pencil, and I'm gonna apply it very near to my lash line initially, and later on I've just lined my upper lash line randomly. You can go very random with this because we are gonna smudge it off. Using my finger, I'm just slowly smudging it off on my lash line, and this is how it should look. Next, I'm gonna apply another layer of this kajal very near to my lash line just to intensify the color near the lash line. And it finally looks something like this. And then taking this third shade from the eyeshadow palette, it's again a very peachy metallic shade, and I'm using this flat shader brush to pick it up. I'm just gonna place it all over my eyelids very gently. Since I wasn't getting the maximum pigmentation with the brush, I went ahead and used my finger to apply this eyeshadow all over my eyelids. We have to gently just pat in the pigment on our eyelids and not move it around or smudge it. Repeat the same look on your other eye and complete the look with lots and lots of mascara, and your final eye look is ready. This is such a quick and gorgeous soft glam eye look. It works really well with your traditional Indian outfits and it looks stunning. So guys, these were the 3 eyeshadow looks that I created using this eyeshadow palette. There could be so many more different eyeshadow looks that we can create with this palette. Do let me know if you would want me to create more such eye looks for you guys, and I would love to do that. So guys, I hope you liked this video and this video actually helped you. If at all you create any of these looks, do share your recreations with me on my social media handles. The link for all my social media handles would be given in the description box below. Also let me know in the comments down below if you would want me to make more such videos for you guys, and I would love to do that. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.